Today is a historic day. JiO launched its services on September 5th of last year. Today, just 170 days later, JiO has crossed the 100 million customer mark. Starting 1st April, JiO will start offering its tariff plans. On all of JiO's tariff plans, all domestic voice calls to any network will always remain free. Across India, to any network, always. And no roaming charges, no blackout days, and no hidden charges. Today is the day for me to show my gratitude to you, the initial 100 million customers, and to ensure that you always continue to get extreme value with JiO. So today, I want to announce a custom-made program called the JiO Prime Membership Program only for current JiO customers and JiO customers who join us on or before the 31st of March this year. All of these JiO customers can enroll for the JiO Prime membership for a full year for a nominal one-time fee of only ₹99. Enrollment will start from the 1st March and will remain open until 31st March 2017. The JiO Prime members are eligible for some amazing benefits. 1. JiO Prime members can continue enjoying the unlimited benefits that they have got used to during the JiO New Year offer for another 12 months until 31st March 2018. Only the JiO Prime members can get this tremendous value for a rock-bottom introductory price of only ₹303 per month, effectively just ₹10 per day for another full year.
It's a celebration of 100 million customer, and we are part of this rally, and we are
very happy of this JiO. We are getting very internet free, calling free, SMS free,
everything we are getting free, and we are very happy to be part of this celebration.
How is the service in Goa?
it's great. Good network.